request ito ng isang viewer ko na gumawa daw ng morning routine. So, good morning guys. So, start from when I got up every morning in my other house. So, as usual, ang ginagawa ko lang guys is, nasa laptop, nasa cellphone, and yun lang. Parang wala naman akong ginagawa nito. So, yung husband tumatawag as usual every morning while he's driving going to work. Iwan ko ba, parang hindi naman ako nakikinig sa asawa ko. So, back to my phone. Re-reply ng mga messages from YouTube. And after that, I'm ready to just like close my laptop and put my socks on, because every morning when it's cold, I put socks on and go to the bathroom. Nakaupo ako sa toilet, umiihi lang. Saka after doing my business, I have to clean up the mirror. And yun, balik ako ulit sa sa kwarto para i-open ko yung window at kunin ko na lang yung laptop at ilagay ko yung sweater ko para naman hindi ako maginawan, kasi mas maginaw sa first floor, maginaw. And yun lang, dadalhin ko yung charger, and yun, punta na tayo sa baba guys. After first thing I'm going to do when I came downstairs, I opened the window, the blinds, because I can't open the window, it's cold outside, so I just opened the blinds. Punta na ako sa kitchen. Ilagay ko lang yung laptop ko, at saka pagkatapos doon, i-turn on ko ng lights, and I will open the curtains in the sliding door. Kalimutan ko ata patayin yung ilaw doon sa entrance. Pinatay ko. At saka yung una kong gagawin, I open my laptop, because for example, if I uploaded video last night, I have to do the tags, the title, the thumbnails before I'm going to have my breakfast. And that's my thing every morning in the house. And then, balik na naman sa cellphone. Ako talaga, cellphone na palagi. Nasa cellphone lang lagi. Okay, it's coffee time. I turn the coffee machine. While adding water, I like to watch also the backyard, because the backyard is so wonderful. It's so colorful this year. this time of the year. So this coffee pad I'm using is a medium because I don't like dark. Yun, ang ganda sa labas, di ba? Sobra. It's time to cook breakfast. Usually I make breakfast just, always egg and croissants, and that's it. And this time I have croissants and pancakes because I don't know, I just suddenly I love pancakes now and croissants. I love croissants. This is from Costco. I got this from Costco. It's really, really tasty. Milk for my coffee. Ang cellphone palaging nasa tabi. That time I'm watching channel 2 news, CBS, and while cooking and while heating the pan, I put everything back. Yung natutuyo na yung mga kutsara, tinidor, so nilagay ko, binalik ko na lang kung saan dapat ilagay. Parang baliw lang, sumasayaw. Pag may marinig ako guys na music or advertise na gusto ko, sasayaw talaga ako. Balik na naman ako sa cellphone. And yun, para akong cellphone addict guys. Nagre-reply lang naman ng ng mga comments pag nasa cellphone ako at nanonood ng videos. Ano ba? Cellphone na naman. Yung croissants guys, kinakat ko in half because yun ang tinuturo ni Tami sa akin. Kung gusto mo na masarap, ilagay mo yung egg sa gitna at wag mong anuhin yung egg, wag mong super luto-luto na ang yelo. May runny pa yung sa gitna. Kasi ang sarap talaga. Saka kakain na lang ako guys ng breakfast, and while having my breakfast, I'm watching a news. Yun, after having my breakfast, I wash my, the dishes that I use, and while washing those dishes I watched, I think I was watching a movie and clean up the mess that I made, and then back to my cell phone again, and then back to, I think I was editing. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! I hope you enjoy.